2026 is not waiting for you to feel ready. While you hesitate, the world is accelerating. Jobs are shifting online, conversations are crossing borders, and opportunities are speaking one language, English. Every day you delay, someone else steps into the room you were meant to enter. This isn't about grammar or accents anymore, it's about access. Access to confidence, to income, to a voice that gets heard instead of ignored. Think about how many times you stayed silent because the words didn't come fast enough, how many chances slipped away because fear spoke louder than you did. That pain is real, but so is the power to change it. Your brain is not broken. It has simply never been trained the right way. The moment you decide to train it, everything shifts. English stops being a wall and becomes a bridge. Not someday, not next year. Now, because the truth is brutal and beautiful at the same time, the future will reward those who act, not those who wait. For years, you may have believed that you failed because you weren't smart enough, talented enough, or confident enough, and that belief quietly stole your courage. But the truth is far more powerful. Your brain was never the problem. You were taught English in a way that fights human psychology instead of working with it, memorizing rules, translating every sentence, fearing mistakes. This trains the brain to freeze, not to speak. The human brain learns language through patterns, repetition, emotion, and meaning, the same way you learned your first language without effort or fear. Once you understand this, guilt disappears and possibility takes its place. Nothing is wrong with you. You don't need a new brain, you need a new method. The moment you stop blaming yourself and start training your brain correctly, progress becomes inevitable. Confidence begins to grow, words start to flow, and English stops feeling like an enemy. This realization is not comfort, it's fuel. And fuel, when used correctly, creates unstoppable momentum. Most people stay stuck because they keep treating English like a school subject instead of a living skill. They say, "I'm learning English," and their brain hears struggle, pressure, and endless delay. But the moment you shift your identity, everything changes. When you stop learning English and start living it, your brain switches modes. You're no longer chasing perfection, you're building connection. Every song you understand, every sentence you think in English, every small conversation becomes proof that this language belongs to you. Identity is powerful because the brain works to protect who you believe you are. If you see yourself as someone who uses English daily, your brain will find ways to make that true. Growth accelerates, resistance fades, and confidence replaces hesitation. This isn't pretending or motivation. It's psychology. Decide who you are becoming, and your actions will follow. The fastest learners aren't smarter. They simply chose an identity that pulls them forward every single day. Fear is the silent thief that keeps your voice locked inside you. It's not the mistake that hurts you. It's the moment you decide to stay quiet to avoid it. Every time you hold back, your brain learns a dangerous lesson. Silence feels safer than growth. And over time, that fear builds a wall between who you are and who you could become. But here's the truth your mind needs to hear. Mistakes are not signs of weakness, they are signals of progress. When you speak imperfectly, your brain fires new connections, rewires faster, and adapts in real time. Confidence is not born from being correct, it is built by being brave. The people you admire didn't wait until fear disappeared. They spoke while their voice was shaking. The moment you choose expression over embarrassment, fear loses its power. Speak, even if it's messy. Especially if it's messy. Because every imperfect word is training your brain to win. Your brain becomes what you feed it. And for years it may have been starving for real English. Not textbooks, not endless rules. Real sound, real rhythm, real meaning. When you surround yourself with English through videos, conversations, stories, and voices, your brain starts absorbing patterns automatically, without force. This is how fluency is built quietly, powerfully, and naturally. You don't need to understand every word to move forward. Understanding grows with exposure. Each minute you listen, your brain is decoding tone, structure, and intent, building a foundation stronger than memorization ever could. The more you hear English used naturally, the less foreign it feels, and the more it feels like home. This isn't passive learning, it's strategic immersion. Feed your brain daily, and it will do what it's designed to do: adapt, grow, and respond. Consistent input turns confusion into clarity and hesitation into instinct. Waiting to feel ready is the most expensive mistake you can make, because readiness is built through action, not before it. The brain doesn't gain confidence by thinking, it gains confidence by doing. Every time you speak, even with broken sentences and pauses, you activate powerful learning circuits that no book can touch. Silence keeps English theoretical, speaking makes it real. The first words may feel uncomfortable, even embarrassing, but that discomfort is growth happening in real time. Progress lives on the other side of awkward moments. When you talk to yourself, repeat after videos, or record your voice, you are teaching your brain speed, rhythm, and courage. Fluency doesn't arrive suddenly. It shows up quietly after hundreds of small, imperfect attempts. Speak before you feel ready, because readiness is not a requirement, it is the reward. The bold don't wait for confidence. They build it sentence by sentence. Every time you speak, you prove to yourself that English is no longer something you fear, but something you own. Big change never comes from big promises. It comes from small decisions repeated daily. Your brain doesn't need hours of effort. It needs consistency it can trust. 20 focused minutes every day is enough to create momentum that no motivation crash can stop. When English becomes a daily habit, your brain stops resisting and starts cooperating. A short listen in the morning, a few repeated sentences, 1 minute of speaking out loud, these simple actions compound faster than you imagine. Discipline beats talent when talent gets tired, and habits keep moving even when emotions don't. Each small session sends a powerful message to your brain: this matters, this is permanent. Over time, English stops feeling like work and starts feeling automatic. Miss one day, you slow down. Repeat daily, you transform. Success is not about doing something extraordinary once. It's about doing something ordinary without quitting. Train your brain with small wins, and those wins will quietly build unstoppable confidence. English is more than words. It's power you can feel the moment you open your mouth. Power to walk into a room without shrinking, to speak without apologizing, to be taken seriously instead of overlooked. When your English improves, something deeper changes inside you. Your posture shifts, your confidence rises. You stop feeling small in global spaces and start feeling equal. This language unlocks better jobs, bigger networks, and conversations that change your direction in life. Money follows communication, and confidence follows clarity. The more clearly you can express yourself, the more value you can offer the world. English doesn't just give you information, it gives you presence. It allows you to negotiate, persuade, teach, and lead. And once you taste that confidence, you never want to go back to silence. This is why training your brain matters. You're not just learning a language, you're upgrading how the world responds to you. And that changes everything. The world of 2026 is moving faster than comfort, and English is the operating system behind that speed. Artificial intelligence, remote work, global clients, digital platforms, all of them speak one dominant language. Those who can communicate clearly will command opportunities, while those who can't will watch from the sidelines. This isn't fear, it's reality. English is no longer optional, it's a multiplier. With it, your skills travel farther, your ideas reach wider, and your value increases instantly. Without it, even talent stays invisible. Technology rewards speed, clarity, and connection, and English sits at the center of all three. The people who win in this era are not waiting for permission. They are preparing their brains for the future that is already here. Train now, and you step into rooms others can't enter. Delay, and the gap grows wider. 2026 will belong to those who adapt early, speak boldly, and claim their place in a world that listens to confidence. Now is the moment to stop imagining change and start creating it. English is not just a skill, it is a bridge to freedom, opportunity, and influence. Every day you wait, you give someone else the advantage, while your potential sits idle. The choice is brutal but beautiful. Will you let fear, hesitation, or not yet control your future, or will you take the reins and act decisively? Speak, listen, read, and think in English every single day. Make mistakes loudly, embrace discomfort, and let your brain adapt, because fluency is earned through action, not wishful thinking. Visualize the person you want to become, confident, articulate, unstoppable, and then align your habits to match that vision. Every word you practice, every sentence you attempt, every moment you push past resistance builds momentum that compounds faster than any motivation speech ever could. Today is not a rehearsal. Your future is waiting, and it rewards those who act. Train your brain, claim your life, and let English become your power.